Just 4 days after President Trump's presidential proclamation detonated a $100,000 filing fee on new H-1B visa petitions, the White House, as per reports, is considering exemptions for physicians and medical residents. If confirmed, it will be the first formal crack in a policy that stunned both India's $283 billion IT services industry and the wider US tech economy when it took effect September 21st at 12:01 a.m. White House spokesperson Taylor Rogers told Bloomberg the proclamation, and this is what it said, allows for potential exemptions which can include physicians and medical residents, end quote. That means the steepest jump in H-1B history from the long-standing $2,000 to $5,000 range to six figures could bypass critical healthcare workers while every other skilled immigrant faces a fee normally associated with corporate merger and acquisitions, not work visas. The exemption debate highlights how quickly national interest waivers could become the real battleground. Immigration lawyers are already sketching legal challenges over fee setting authority. Now, policymakers must weigh which skill shortages justify a carve out. Yesterday, on front page, we broke the original story of the $100,000 visa boom. Indian IT stocks slid 3% intraday before a late evening clarification. The fee applies only to new petitions for workers currently outside the United States. Existing holders and renewals are untouched, and there was a huge sigh of relief. That actually helped markets recover part of the loss. Our live panel of founders and investors, Ankur Mehra, Sudhir Reddy, and Bharat Jaswani, framed it perfectly. The shock simply accelerates a transition already underway. On site dependency was shrinking well before Trump's signature. HCL Tech's US workforce is 80% local, Tech Mahindra 70%, Infosys 60%, TCS 50%. Only 3 to 5% of a top vendor's global staff are on H-1B at any given point in time. New approvals for Indian IT have plunged since 2022. Infosys is down 72%, TCS 45%, Wipro 33%, even as US big tech, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Meta, Apple has become the largest new filer group. A six-figure fee turns every visa into actually a capital allocation decision, forcing CIOs and CFOs to rank roles by mission criticality. Panelists agreed the new rule is more than an immigration tweak. It's actually a trigger event. Global Capability Centers, GCCs, in Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and Pune will scale faster as firms pull mid-tier engineering roles back to India. Nearshore hubs in Canada and Mexico will absorb client-facing functions where physical presence still matters. AI-assisted delivery from co-pilots and code gen to L1, L2 autonomous runbooks will compress the need for bench bodies on site. This is not just cost control. As Reddy put it, and this is what he said, product companies must seize the moment to build for the world and reduce dependency on people and visas. AI is the obvious substitute for routine roles. Well said, Mr. Reddy. Ironically, the very policy meant to protect US jobs could turbocharge India's own AI decade. Returning talent and lower on site ratios actually free up capital and senior engineers for domestic R&D. If India's policy makers pair this with faster compute access, R&D credits, and data sharing frameworks, the country could actually convert brain drain into brain gain, turning displaced H-1B demand into patents, platforms, and AI products. Legal flashpoints, here they are. Courts will test the proclamation's fee authority and the scope of any national interest waivers starting with doctors. Corporate playbooks expect every United States client to adopt a Visa ROI framework, triaging roles into worth, the 100K dollar fee versus move offshore or automate. AI adoption. If big tech trims H-1B hiring, AI agents for customer support, Q&A, and testing will move from pilot to production even faster. It's actually not Q&A, it's QA, which is quality assurance. A doctor carve-out may soften the political optics, but the strategic lesson is already priced in. The American dream hasn't been cancelled, it's been repriced. Whether courts narrow or overturn the fee, the center of gravity in global tech talent has shifted. Fewer routine on site rotations, more AI augmented teams in India, and a stronger push to build world class products at home. The next move belongs to Washington's lawyers and India's AI builders, and both sides know that the clock is ticking.